Today I'm going to show you how to make a single welt pocket. Connect the two pocket placement dots. Now we're going to prepare the welt. All right, we're going to sew these two ends at 1/2 inch. Okay, the next step is get this sewn on. And then I will put a pin through this one, because I'm gonna sew it from the wrong side. Cut right along the middle through all the layers. You're going to top stitch along this edge and also fold these little triangles out of the way. And we're gonna sew at 1/2 inch all the way around. We are done except for finishing the edges of the pocket bag, and you will have a beautiful welt pocket.